Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's work out core and lower back for today. I didn't record quite a long time, so I'll try to do something very simple maybe and useful for most of you. I hope more and more people will be able to practice. Let's work. Sit down first. Let's warm up with something very simple. Keep your lower back straight, fold back a little bit. Keep your arms straight and just hold 10 seconds here. 10, 9, 8, hold, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back in front. Inhale first. Exhale again, drive your back lower a little bit. We're gonna twist left, right 20 times. Inhale first. Here we go, 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, keep working. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. We continue. Lie down. Left leg straight forward. Bend your right arm behind your head. Place it behind your head. From here, we're gonna squeeze our core, raising our right side and left leg until here and back up. Right leg or left leg, right elbow. Inhale first, we're gonna do 12 times each side. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2, release. Inhale first. Exhale. Switch side, bring your left leg behind your head, right leg straight forward, and we work up. Inhale. Let's work. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, higher. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Good. And up. Nice one. Step on your knees. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go. Next one, plank position. From the plank position, we're gonna bend our knee, right knee forward and back, switching towards the left and back. So everything works here. Rotate your pelvis, pike your back, push from your shoulder blades, and let's work. Straight legs. Inhale first. 20 times. Let's work. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Up. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. We continue. Next one, same thing towards the side, but then using our elbows. Place your elbows on the ground, straight arms. We're gonna bend our left knee towards the elbow, and then right knee towards the elbow. Inhale first. Exhale, get ready. 20 times. Straight legs, rotate your pelvis, push, pike your upper body. Let's work. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, go ahead. 2, keep working. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Good. Inhale first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Sit down. Next, and what we're gonna do, we'll drive our straight legs up. Lie down, place your arms behind your butt, straight legs forward, and we're gonna raise our legs 90 degrees up. Inhale, exhale, here we go. 2, go ahead, 12 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, go ahead, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 1, 2. From here, inhale deeply, raise your butt off the ground and hold here 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Bring your arms behind your butt, your lower back drives here. What's up? Let me work out. Straight leg forward. Here we go, 10 times. Inhale first. Work. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, work. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 1, 2. Good. Up. Awesome. Inhale first. Where are you, buddy? Here we go. Next thing we're gonna do standing abs. Just bring your arms behind your head, and then let's twist. We're gonna twist our body towards the left, bringing our knee towards the elbow and towards the right. Here we go. Inhale first. 20 times, 10 each side. Exhale. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeeze. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go again. We're gonna do elbow plank, and then from here with straight legs. From here we will just do front touches 20 times together. Inhale first. Straight legs, rotate your pelvis, engage your core. Here we go. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. Here we go again. Arms behind the head, but on this side we'll drive our knee towards the side. So we're gonna do it 10 times on each leg first. 10 times left, 10 times right. Inhale first. Exhale, here we go. 2, 3, higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And right side. Inhale. Here we go. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay, we are lying down. We are doing scissors 20 times with straight legs. Inhale first, straight legs. Exhale, keep working. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. legs on the ground, sorry. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground, hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower. We're gonna do one more set of the scissors. So rotate your pelvis, engage your core, low back, straight leg, arms towards the side. Inhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Rotate your pelvis. Push your butt up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Up. We're going to do one more exercise, elbow plank from each side. Right elbow on the ground, legs together, just holding straight legs. Just hold here 10 seconds. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then nice and easy, switch side. Bring your left elbow on the ground. Rotate your body. Push your butt up. Rotate your hips. Engage everything. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Nice one. Quick workout. Let's stretch a little bit. Upper facing dog. Just relax a little bit. Chill. Okay. Try to not stretch too much your lower back. Later you'll have instability. If your lower back is weak, I mean. If your lower back is strong, then it's okay. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.